How to change your TikTok account's country or region. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile option given at the bottom. Click on three bars given at the top right. Select the option Settings and Privacy. Now head over to the option Account. Now navigate to the option Account Information. Click on the option Account Region. Now from here you can easily change region for your TikTok account. From the list of countries, select the one that you want to set for your TikTok account. Confirm it. In order to update your region on TikTok, you must be in the country that you have selected for at least 60 days. If you fulfill this criteria, your region will be updated on TikTok. Likewise, next thing you want to do is close this, launch settings, navigate to the option General. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Language and Region. Now click on the option Region. From the list of countries, select the one that you want to set for your TikTok account. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. And that's it, you have just updated country on your TikTok account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.